YouTube, what's going on? Kyle from ePoolSupply. Today we've got a special little treat where we're going to actually dive into Polaris's Vac-Sweep 280 pressure side pool cleaner and start doing some quick fixes. Stay tuned. Alright, and we're back. So we have some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's 280 pressure side pool cleaner. Today we're going to talk about the wear rings on the actual tail sweep. So if you guys noticed, they're notorious for this blue color on a lot of their products. It's actually a patented color specific to Polaris. So these wear rings are really important as this tail rubs against the bottom surface of your pool, especially if you have some kind of pebble tech. Since you're dealing with like a rubber tail sweep, over time, if it's constantly getting rubbed on, this will actually start to deteriorate and break down. So these wear rings help add a buffer between the pool surface and the actual tail sweep. So over time, they're gonna wear, they're gonna warp, and they potentially could fall off of your actual tail sweep. So instead of actually having to replace the entire thing, especially if the hoses are still good, Zodiac has allowed you to actually replace these wear rings separately. So they're not a full circle. They are very difficult to separate, especially since this is a working display, so it's never actually been in the water. But what happens is, as these fall off and you get your new ones, there's actually a split in the actual wear ring so that you can actually pinch the hose and slide a new wear ring on. They go in between each of these hose weights that are actually already installed on your cleaner, so you want them to be in between. It helps so that they don't just constantly slide all over the hose, but they are crucial to the functionality of the cleaner, so make sure that you guys keep those intact for the cleaner. So make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We got all these items available for you, and to actually install and remove these, excuse me, I would suggest using some kind of a pair of pliers, just because it can be a little daunting on your fingers. As you can see, I twist them to one side, and then it gives you just enough to be able to pull the hose out. And then with your new ones, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna twist them and you're gonna slide them over the hose in those positions. So then that way the hose itself stays protected and works over time. So make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We got tons of videos coming your way, especially for this cleaner. We're gonna tear this thing apart from the outside in. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below. We got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.